Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So for today's video guys is mag-file po tayo ng ating sickness leave or sa SSS. So dito guys, click po natin yung home kasi naka-home confinement lang tayo. So fill up natin kailan tayo nag-start ng ating sickness. So that would be in August 26 this year, 2024. So input natin yan guys. So pasensya na po guys, naka-portrait po ito pero intindihin nyo lang. So saan po ba siya i-click? Doon sa benefits, apply benefits, and fill up lang po natin yung kinakailangan na i-fill up form dito. And then once is yung ating requirements lang po dito needed is medical certificate and also yung ating confirmation from our doctor. So dito natin i-click and then submit, and then submit natin yung mga documents na kinakailangan ni SSS para ma-verify doon sa kanilang medical team. And after that, so upload natin. If hindi po kayo makapag-upload guys, medyo nahirapan po ako mag-upload dito. You edit your so ito na. So successful po yung ating filing. So regarding naman doon sa ating attachment, pag hindi siya na-attach, kindly edit your um, images. So, dito natin makikita magkano yung ating contribution and click natin yung eligibility. So, yun po. So, yun po guys. If ganito ang gusto natin ng mga content, so please watch and subscribe to my channel. Like and share guys. Maraming salamat po sa panonood.